Hello everyone. Today we are starting with 35th question of 2023 paper. As usual, we'll read the question first. Based on the above passage, the following assumptions have been made. So what are those assumptions that can be made is what they're asking. 1. To implement the sustainable development goals and to achieve zero hunger goals, monoculture agriculture practices are inevitable even if they do not address malnutrition. What they are saying, because of the sustainable goals and zero hunger goals, we must go for monoculture, though they are not addressing malnutrition. Okay, we'll see. Option 2. Dependence on few crops has negative consequences for human health and the ecosystem. So only few crops, if you are dependent, both it will have a consequences on human health and ecosystem. Option 3. Government policies regarding food planning need to incorporate nutritional security. So government should make a policy which will include nutritional security as well. Option 4. For the present monoculture agriculture practices, farmers receive subsidies in various ways and government offers remunerative prices for grains and therefore they do not tend to consider crop diversity. Why they are practicing monoculture is because there is a subsidy and remunerative prices. That's why they are not adopting crop diversity is what this option is saying. Totally all these four statements are talking on some goals like sustainable goals and all. Then monoculture, malnutrition is what they are talking about. We'll see. We'll get from the passage now. So passage 3 we are reading. Food consumption pattern have changed substantially in India over past few decades. Of course, it has been changed. This has resulted in the disappearance of many nutritious foods such as millets. So because of change, now we are not eating nutritious foods such as millets is what they are saying. Okay. While food grains production has increased over 5 times since independence, it has not sufficiently addressed the issue of malnutrition. Food grains production is increased, but malnutrition we are not addressing. For long, the agriculture sector focused on increasing food production, particularly staples, which led to lower production and consumption of indigenous traditional crops, grains, fruits, and other vegetables, impacting food and nutrition security in this process. So because of single kind of crop, we are ignoring some traditional crops which are nutritious. So that's what they are saying. Further, intensive monoculture agriculture practices can perpetuate the food and nutrition security problem by degrading the quality of land, water and food derived through them. So they are saying not only our malnutrition but also land, water, these also get corrupted is what they are saying. So now we'll see the option. To implement the sustainable development goals, did they talk about these goals and zero hunger goals? And did they say like only malnutrition, only monoculture is inevitable like that? No, they didn't say. So option 1 is wrong. With that, we can eliminate option A, option D. Then we are left with 2, 3, 3, 4. So 3 will be right is what they are saying. Either 2 or 4 we have to choose. So if you read second one, dependence on few crops or negative consequence on human health and ecosystem. This is what they were saying. So malnutrition and land, water, this is getting polluted. Option 2 is correct. So you no need to read about option 4 also. So let us still see option 4. Monoculture agriculture and they're talking about subsidies, remunerative prices. This they didn't discuss in the passage. So we'll go with option B and that's all for today.